Yeah. Hi there, so I'm going to be showing you around our 2018 Mini Cooper S. John Cooper works spec on it as well. Lovely car. I'll take you around the bodywork, I'll take you inside, and I'll point out any features along the way. Right, so starting with the back left quarter, so you've got your Great Britain lights back and the left hand side. Just a bit of that's why that looks good. Good tread on the tyres. Some of your Cooper S Steptronic. The red roof makes it stand out a little bit. Can't see too well in this light, but these are your daytime running lights, or LED daytime running lights. Front fog lights with rather big scoops, full scoops. Windscreen. Small chip in the windscreen, but nothing to worry about. I'll take you into the boot. Those back seats do fold down as well. Get your double exhaust and got your rear parking sensors as well. Take you inside now. So black leather interior, Mini Cooper. So only 11,000 miles on the clock. Your climate control here, dual zone climate control, automatic gearbox. These are your controls for the infotainment system. Some steering wheel controls there. So it controls your also on the heads up display. Well, there's the heads up display. It's hard to see on the camera. So that's all controlled by that. It is very clear in person, but can't see it too well on the as you see, so you've got your change the radio there. There is a way you can get it on there, but I don't know how to do it. Got your auto lights, electric mirrors and windows. And over here you've got your DAB radio. Camera's not having a good day today. Your DAB radio, your FM radio, your Bluetooth audio, and your USB. Got your sat nav, works really well. Your telephone communications, dual zone climate control, heated seats. Front and rear parking sensors. I can't really remember what I've said and what I've said, to be honest. So if there is anything in particular that you think I might have missed or that you're not too sure about, just give me a call and let me know. I'll be happy to answer any questions you may have. I think that pretty much sums it up. Back here you've got black leather seats. All the seats are in good condition. If you have any questions about the car at all, please feel free to call on 07917 033 781. One of us will be happy to answer any questions you've got, book you in a viewing, or whatever it is you'd like to do. The car comes with 1 year warranty, 1 year MOT, 1 year AA breakdown cover. And the advert can find on our website, carlsforcar.com. You'll find more information, pictures, things like that. So, hope to hear from you soon. Take care. Bye bye.